Fly. Birds fly in the air. Birds fly in the air. Birds flew away this morning. Birds flew away this morning. Fry. I fry eggs. I fry eggs. I fried eggs. I fried eggs. Give. I give my friend flowers. I give my friend flowers. I gave her flowers yesterday. I gave her flowers yesterday. Hate. I hate hot weather. I hate hot weather. I hated the weather yesterday. I hated the weather yesterday. Help. I help my sister. I help my sister. I helped my sister yesterday. I helped my sister yesterday. Jump. I jump when I am happy. I jump when I am happy. The frog jumped into the pond. The frog jumped into the pond. No. I know the answer. I know the answer. I knew the answer. I knew the answer. Leave. I leave the house early for school. I leave the house early for school. I left the house early for school. I left the house early for school. Like. I like movies. I like movies. I like the movie yesterday. I like the movie yesterday. Live. I live in India. I live in India. I lived in America before. I lived in America before. Love. I love the rain. I love the rain. I loved the rain. I loved the rain. Mix. I mix the salad. I mixed the salad. I mixed the salad. I mixed the salad. Open. I open the window. I open the window. I opened the window. I opened the window. Plant. I plant flowers. I plant flowers. I planted flowers. I planted flowers. Remember. I remember names. I remember names. I remembered your name. I remembered your name. Ride. I ride my cycle. I ride my cycle. I rode my cycle. I rode my cycle. See. I see the bird in the tree. I see the bird in the tree. I saw the bird in the tree. I saw the bird in the tree. Sing. I sing in the shower every morning. I sing in the shower every morning. I sang in the shower yesterday. I sang in the shower yesterday. Snow. It snows here. It snows here. It snowed last winter. It snowed last winter. Spend. I spend money carefully. I spend money carefully. I spent money yesterday. I spent money yesterday. Stay. I stay home on Sundays. I stay home on Sundays. I stayed home last Sunday. I stayed home last Sunday. Teach. I teach English. I teach English. I taught English yesterday. I taught English yesterday. Read. I read a book every day. I read a book every day. I read a book yesterday. I read a book yesterday. Eat. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I ate an apple. I ate an apple. Write. She writes a letter. She writes a letter. She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. Play. They play football. They play football. They played football. They played football. Go. I go to the park. I go to the park. I went to the park. I went to the park. I laugh a lot when I saw that show. I laugh a lot when I saw that show. I laughed at a joke this afternoon. I laughed at a joke this afternoon. I always lock front door at night. I always lock front door at night. I locked the office door before leaving. I locked the office door before leaving. Love. I love the rainy season. I love the rainy season. I loved my old car. I loved my old car. Kick. I kick the ball. I kick the ball. I kicked the ball. I kicked the ball. Make. I make breakfast every morning. I make breakfast every morning. I made breakfast last morning. I made breakfast last morning. Walk. I walk to the park every morning. I walk to the park every morning. I walked to the park yesterday. I walked to the park yesterday. Write. I write a letter. I write a letter. I wrote a letter. Watch. I watch TV. I watch TV. I watched TV last night. Wash. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I washed the dishes. I washed the dishes. Walk. I walk to school. I walk to school. I walked to school yesterday. I walked to school yesterday. Work. I work every day. I work every day. I worked very hard yesterday. I worked very hard yesterday. Win. I win the match. I win the match. I won the match. I won the match. Wait. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I waited for the bus. I waited for the bus. Visit. I visit my uncle. I visit my uncle. I visited my uncle on Eid. I visited my uncle on Eid. Wear. I wear a jacket. I wear a jacket. I wore a jacket yesterday. I wore a jacket yesterday.